Let me show you the one ingredient that makes the best extra crispy air fryer chicken wings with a crunch that lasts. To make these crispy chicken wings, I usually take 15 small chicken wing drumettes. Then I use paper towels to pat them really, really dry. The drier the chicken, the crispier it will be later. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of adobo seasoning. Use tongs or your hands to toss the chicken until the seasonings look evenly spread on all the pieces. Next, take a plate and add about 2 cups of potato starch. Then, take 1 piece of chicken at a time and press it firmly into the potato starch. Flip it and press again so the potato starch gets into all the little cracks and folds, and make sure the whole piece is covered. Lift it up, shake off the loose extra, and set it aside. Potato starch is that secret ingredient here because it crisps up light and crunchy in the air fryer instead of giving you that heavier coating you get with breadcrumbs. And it helps keep the chicken juicy inside. Next, take your air fryer basket and place the chicken pieces inside in a single layer. You will probably need to cook them in batches because they will not all fit without stacking. Air fry the chicken wings at 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. About halfway through, flip the chicken wings so they cook evenly and get crispy on all sides. And here you go. These chicken wings are crunchy the second you bite into them. The outside stays crisp and the inside is still juicy. They taste savory, a little spicy, and honestly, hard to stop eating. If you liked these extra crispy air fryer chicken wings, then check out also my air fryer chicken strips video here next. I tried the McDonald's ones and they were thick, greasy, and dry. So I made my own, and they came out crispy, juicy, and not greasy at all.